I'm LOLing.
Oh.
Posted at the stone.
Oh, is this a joke?
Hey guys, it's Deepika. This is Kylie, and Kylie is my friend that I've had in my life since the actual first grade. Kylie and I now live together in a very full circle.
Yes.
A few decades later. We don't have to get into the specifics of that. Are you 29?
I'm 29.5.
29.5. I'm 28.5. Actually, more than 27.5.
Yeah, more than that. Like a
All right,
point
we
nine.
get it. She's freaking hilarious, you guys. A little camera shy. I'm trying to make her feel a little comfortable. We just filmed a video testing out DermaFlash together. I'll put it in the bio down below. I'm getting ready for an event tonight, and honestly, sometimes it's just exhausting, so we're gonna do it together and hang and tell you some stories about her childhood.
Oh, man.
So Kylie's already done her base of her face, and the quickest she's ever done it, literally.
Like 13 minutes?
Let me tell you, it's not usually a 13-minute process. We give her a good hour.
I enjoy it.
Yeah, that's true. But now she's gonna do her hair while I do my hair and my makeup. By the way, she's really good at hair, so she's gonna do my hair. Okay, so this is the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector Liquid. You loved Becca.
I love Becca.
I'm curious to see what my skin feels like putting makeup on right now because I just used the DermaFlash and that does not feel like something you should be doing. But you know what? I wanna go more full coverage for this event tonight, so I'm gonna do MAC NC42.
I feel like that's been like tried and true to everybody since.
First Colony days.
Yeah.
First Colony Mall days.
First Colony Mall.
Shout out to anyone from Sugarland.
The only time I've ever gotten my makeup professionally done was by MAC.
That's funny.
Yeah.
For what?
Like prom and homecoming.
Kylie's in one of my robes.
Oh my gosh, you guys should see how many she has. That's the funniest part.
Still, I feel like I'm like repeating the same ones over and over again.
Yeah, you've got that one white one that turns like bronze after all the makeup.
Remember when I put this directly on my face?
Yeah, I'm kind of looking at my hair and it kind of looks like I accidentally did that too.
I'm gonna use this Dior Backstage Air Flash, which is like iconic favorite.
Are we gonna do it again?
I'm gonna do it, but not like to my whole face. I'm gonna target it to the parts I just corrected with.
Oh, much
Did it
better.
come out?
Yeah. Definitely came out.
Yeah, I'm gonna stick to putting it on a beauty
I think
blender.
that's kind of the smartest way to go.
Are you just chilling?
Oh, I forget. I love just watching you get ready.
People were just doing these like outlandish ways of asking.
Oh, promposals, they started to call them.
It was understood that he was gonna ask, and I was like, made it clear. I was like, well, I want to remember my prom as getting asked in a cute way. He, get this, go outside my house. By the way, our house models were the exact same. It's so funny. But in
Master
front,
planned communities.
yeah, seriously. Written out in fire, it said prom ? Like on the street. Anyways,
I'm sure your mom freaked out.
Oh, my dad freaked. My dad was like, who is this man? I liked it because I was just like, whatever, I got to have a good story that it was something famous.
I always see Deepika using this. And since my hair is so flat, I'm like, maybe I should try it.
Okay.
Because it's the dry texturizing spray. I always thought that this was good for short hair people, but maybe.
This is the good, so just make sure you're not using it all. Thanks. I'm not weird about giving anything,
You also have 5 bottles down there.
but beauty blenders and Orbe is what I go through like crack. Like, look
Yeah,
how much
fair.
you use it.
So this side's done.
That was so fast.
I know, it's quick.
So we'll show this side versus this side. How good that looks.
Straight little wave.
Okay, we're switching sides, so then she can be on this side. Hi. Talk about me.
Let me talk about Deepika.
Me.
So I feel like in elementary school, we were always just like crossing paths.
But there's all these like random photos of us together.
I know, but I feel like the photos are the only things that like remind us that we were friends.
And then I moved away to Shreveport, Louisiana for 2 years.
That's why I forgot about you.
Then I moved back in 9th grade.
Yeah.
I was like the Indian girl that like was in honors classes or whatever, but then I hung out with like not Indian people too.
I just feel like everyone was friends.
Well, of course you felt that way because
Yeah,
you were
it's
white.
fair.
That's not true. And everyone was not friends. And I like wanted to fit in so bad. And I like got in trouble. I did dumb things. Literally nothing scars you more than seeing your dad cry.
Gosh.
Stop being a moron just to fit in with the cool kids.
Yeah.
Like, it's so stupid. I did the whole 400 calorie thing. Like I remember people looking at me and being like, Deeps, like why aren't you eating?
Oh my
I
gosh.
just wanted to be a size 0 so bad.
I'm hoping that is not the case for kids these days.
I pray it's not, but I'm worried that it is.
It is, yeah.
Magazines and stuff are changing, right? Like you're seeing more different size women.
Yeah, Tinted is helping.
Yeah, I mean, I hope so. But that's, I feel like, diversity also in color. You went to A&M, I went to UT, so basically we were rivals.
But I don't even think I could have gotten into UT.
But then, when did we reconnect? It was post-college.
Because I moved to Dallas right after I graduated from college.
That's when we connected, when I lived in New York.
Yes.
But I was always coming home because I was dating a guy in Texas. And every time I came home, we randomly, it's just so random. It was just fun to connect with someone from back in the day.
Yeah.
Do you want to do my hair now?
Yeah. Bless you.
I haven't used this Patrick Start.
I love the...
I just don't know what to do with it because it's so...
Ooh.
Like, you know, like I'm not good at eyeshadow, but I'll try. Maybe I use this as a base and put a powder over it. This is the Thrive Brilliant Eye Brightener. They donate every purchase. It's cause like CAUS.
Really?
Smart. Anyway, so then...
It's really pretty.
Yeah, I mentioned on like social media, right?
Yeah, that you wanted to move to California, and I had already like basically planned that I was. So I was like, you should do it.
I know, and then I like wanted to live with her, and she's like, hey, I kind of already have it figured out, but thanks. Can't wait to hang. That's not how I saw this going down at all.
Thought I'd just be waiting around for you.
I just thought you would be a little more enthusiastic. All right, I'm nervous because I'm not good at shadow, and I'm gonna mess this up, but. What's a fun fact about me nobody would know?
That you like all those like Avengers and superheroes. It's off. I was like, why is this going?
I'm like, Kylie's so good at hair that it like...
It's like straight.
This is how I do it, since I'm not good at eyeshadow. I just kind of plop on one color and then I soften it in the edges with like a lighter color.
Don't come at her.
Well, because I'm not a makeup artist and I've never claimed to be one. Like, I just like love makeup.
Now we're moving. I think what's really funny about you is you don't really know your way around the kitchen.
Chef Boyardee comes
That
out.
is, and maybe you should stick to the Chef Boyardee because like the day I saw you trying to cook shrimp, you got out your gorgeous marble cheese board and you were gonna lay the shrimp on the cheese board to like mix the seasonings instead of like a bowl.
Just like I feel like there's no rules to makeup, there shouldn't be rules to cooking.
Well, let me know how that works out for you. I would say the last fun fact is that you're extremely hardworking, and I feel like I get to see that because I live with you 24/7. I'm a grandma and I go to bed at like 9 p.m., but you're like up hustling until the wee hours of the night, and then you wake up like super early and do it all over again.
And like, I'm a really good dater. Both of us are really good daters.
We're really good at dating. We just are taking a pause.
By choice.
I also feel like if I ever was to go on a date, like you have to come too. How would we do that alone? Gosh, I'm doing such a good job. You have a lot of hair.
No, girl.
I'm quite jealous.
You jealous about my nose hairs and unibrow and the neck that I have to shave?
Hey, if it got me this, it would be worth it all.
What's your favorite product you discovered?
I've never used Tatcha before you, and I really love, I think the packaging is so fun. I love, for my fine hair, the Dry Bar Charcoal Shampoo.
If anyone is watching this and realizes how amazing Kylie is, she's into tall, dark, and handsome men. I don't want to say I have a type because I don't know what my type is. Middle school was only white boys, and then after that was only Indian, and now I'm like, I don't care.
I love
Just
that.
be a good freaking person.
Butt cheeks cramping.
Your butt cheeks cramping. Kylie will say like things that like only you expect like an old like she'll like, gee golly, by golly.
You're gonna start saying it too.
She slid into Michael B. Jordan's DMs.
You can't out me like that.
Girl, I'm marrying him.
We may have to fight for that one,
Fine.
but I'll support you.
I was gonna say it's fine if you do. I'll still feel like I'm winning. Ooh,
So I
that
feel
felt
like too close.
felt like a burn. Reasons we love to live in LA. Weather.
Weather. Work could be hard, things could be going on, and then you walk outside and you're just like, there's this big knot.
I know, I should start brushing my hair, huh?
Yeah.
What else do we love about LA?
The food. I think they have pretty good food.
No, that's the downside of Los Angeles. Nowhere close to Texas or New York.
I would say outdoor activities.
Yep, like I
Hiking.
love the diversity of things to do that are sober activities.
Yeah.
My Saturday went from a boozy brunch to hiking on Runyon. Wow, Kylie.
What? I didn't get to finish the front or anything.
Should I put on Patrick's? I feel like I should match it with his lip. I found one of his lips. I swore there's more, but this is Sweet Mama Star. He's so
Aw.
sweet. He named it after his mom.
That's really awesome.
No, they're very close. Kind of
Oh,
goes
I
with the
like
lip.
it.
I still feel like I have grayness around my mouth. But yeah, I feel like it's just nice to have company, and
I agree.
we love documentaries.
Documentaries.
My new favorite Friday night activity is to do nothing and watch documentaries.
documentary.
All right, I'm gonna go change. I think this event is like literally in 30.
You look beautiful.
The more you see Kylie, the more you're just gonna fall in love with her. She's
my
the
gosh.
cutest, best bubbly cutie personality. And I just wanted to do all my videos with me. Ugh. But we'll work them. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.
What do I tell people to do?
Subscribe to my channel.
Just like that. In the comments below,
Yes.
tell us what documentaries we need to watch. All right, I'm gonna finish getting ready, do all the touch-ups.
Thanks for
and
having
stuff.
me.
Thanks for being here. Tell her to come back.
I think I might come back.
Really?
Maybe.
Okay. Bye guys, see you
Bye.
next time. You don't smell. I would have told you.